Hello, dear students. Hope everyone is fine. I'm here again with my next topic of EVS chapter number 10, What is Cooking, in the last video lecture 4. Now let's continue the chapter. This is your book page, and today we will learn about different fuels that are used to cook food in your house. Now read this question. What is used to cook food in your house? Draw a picture in the notebook and write its name. Yes, this is gas stove, which is very commonly used in our homes these days. This is used for cooking and heating the food. The stove is attached to the gas cylinder by using a pipe. This is a gas stove and LPG gas is used in these cylinders. LPG is a type of fuel consisting of hydrocarbon gases which is in liquid form. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. LPG is a clean fuel and it does not pollute the environment. LPG used as a fuel in heating appliances, cooking equipments and vehicles. Other than this, there are different kind of stoves. Some stoves are also operate on electricity. So my dear students, you have to match this picture with the given names and what produces heat in each of them. So first picture is a wood stove. Wood stove can be used by using a wood or cow dung cakes. Coal stove with coal. Gas stove, as we have just read, with LPG gas, LPG cylinders. Then is grill box, again with coal. Kerosene stove uses kerosene oil. And electric stove runs with electricity. So dear students, match with these pictures with the given names. So before moving further, I would like to tell you about kerosene stove. This is a stove. Kerosene oil is used in kerosene stove. It is also used for burning in kerosene lamps. These stoves are used earlier to cook food. And as you know that nowadays LPG cylinders and electric ovens, kettles and pans has taken a place in our kitchen. So next is the picture of solar cooker. So here solar cooker uses the energy of direct sunlight to heat or cook the food. Due to the heat of the sun, the food is being cooked. Solar cooker works only when the sun shines. The food is cooked in cook pot. On the other hand, wood has been used for producing the heat to cook the food. Burning firewood produces smoke and that smoke is bad for the environment. Burning firewood causes health problems like asthma and lung disease. It is observed that children and older people are the most likely to be affected by this pollution, which we call air pollution. The burning of fossil fuels like wood, coal, petroleum are the major cause for polluting the air. Air pollution causes heart diseases, lung cancer, breathing problems, coughing and irritation of eyes, nose and throat. So, there is need to take such steps to reduce the pollution. Reduce the use of wood stove. Second, avoid burning leaves, trash and other materials. Third, reduction of forest fires and stop burning the collected garbage. Now, here the question is that which is a clean fuel or eco-friendly fuel? So the answer is CNG. CNG is a clean fuel. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. CNG is natural gas and is used as a fuel for cars. It is clear and odorless and can be used as a cheaper, greener and more efficient in comparative to the traditional petrol and diesel fuels for vehicles. Hence, CNG is eco-friendly. and safe. Now, my dear students, with this topic, we will come to an end of this chapter. So, next, that you will read full your chapter and revise again. You will do now written work in your notebook. Let me tell you how to start writing your chapter in your EVS notebook. First of all, write the chapter number and name like this. Chapter number 10, what is cooking? And on the next page, write down the date. Yes, the important point that you have to do. Neat and clean handwriting. Okay, students? The link of this chapter has been pasted in the comment section of the videos of this chapter. Dear students, start your chapter with the filling the blanks. Number 1. Idli, dhokla, rice and momos are cooked by steaming. Number 2. We need a wide but deep vessel like dash for frying. Answer is wok. Number 3. When food is cooked over direct heat, it is known as dash, grilling. Number 4. Dash is a clean fuel, CNG. Number 5. The dash is baked in the oven to make bread, dough. Next is, on the next page, you will start with the true false. Number 1. Spices are added to make the food tasty. True. Number 2. Boiling process kills the germs in the food. True. Number 3. Water is needed when food is grilled. False. Number 4. Cooking makes the food soft and easy to digest. True. Number 5. We should use gloves or tongs to hold hot vessels. True. On the next page, MCQs. Number 1. What is the main ingredient of chapati? Rice flour, wheat flour, moong dal flour. The answer is wheat flour. Number 2. Solar cooker uses kerosene oil, sunlight, LPG. The answer is sunlight. Number 3. In olden times, people use dash utensils. Glass utensils, earthen pots, steel utensils. Answer is earthen pots. Number 4. Which method of cooking is not good for health? Frying, boiling, steaming. The answer is frying. Number 5. Which food item is cooked in pressure cooker? Pakoras, chapati, rice. The answer is rice. On the next page, start with the one word answer. The question number 1, full form of LPG. Answer is liquefied petroleum gas. Question number 2, how is food cooked in villages? Answer is on clay chulhas or tandoors. Question number 3, which is the healthy fat for cooking? Answer is mustard oil. Question number 4, name 2 items that can be eaten both raw and cooked. Answer is carrot and tomato. Question number 5, name 2 electric appliances that are used to cook food. Answer, electric toaster and electric griller. On the next page, start with the question answer understanding part. Question number 1, should we eat cooked food? Can you tell the benefits of eating cooked food? The answer is yes, we should eat cooked food. There are lots of benefit of eating cooked food as it makes the food soft and easy to digest. Second, it also makes the food tasty and germ free. Question number 2, some foods are good to eat raw. Is it right? Give reason. So the answer is yes. It is right that some foods are good to eat raw because raw food is more nutritious. Question number 3, why do you think sprouts are nutritious? Answer, sprouts are nutritious because it is rich in proteins. Next is analyze part. Here the question is, Ria's mother has overcooked her favorite vegetable. Her mother says not to eat this. Why do you think so? Answer is because overcooked food destroys the nutrients present in the food and food also becomes tasteless and colorless. Now here your chapter completed. Do with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.